Alright, 8th grade ELT, welcome to Thursday. So today our focus is again on slope-intercept form. Specifically, the guided practice for today is often converting from standard form to slope-intercept form. And again, standard form, just to write it out for you, is ax plus by equals c. And as you know, our slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So in order to convert from standard form to slope-intercept, the main thing you have to do, your main goal, is just to get y by itself. So let's take a look at an example really quick. So for this one, we have 3x plus 2y equals 5. So again, our goal is to isolate this y. So first thing we could do is subtract this positive 3x, because the opposite of a positive 3x is a negative 3x. And again, we're subtracting. We don't need to separate these, because all we need to do is get these onto the other side. Don't have to worry about separating them. So that equals 0. What we do to one side, the equal sign, we do to the other side. And right here we can look at these two terms. We can see that they are not like terms, because this 5 does not have an x in front of it. So then we cannot subtract 3x from 5. So we just leave it over on this side. So now we have 2y equals negative 3x plus 5. And I'm putting this 3x here in front of the 5 to make it more look like this slope-intercept form. All right, it just makes your job a little bit easier. And the last thing you have to do is get this y all by itself. So if this is a multiplication operation, we are using division. We want to divide out this 2, again, to get this y by itself. And what we do to one side, we do to the other. And you have to divide each of these terms by 2. And as we can see, 2 does not go evenly into each of these, or into either of them, I should say. So we just leave them as fractions, So we have y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 5 over 2. And in this situation, this would be our slope, and this our y-intercept. Excuse me. All right, so we're actually going to try one of the problem sets now. So I'm going to let you guys try to figure out 41. It'll be a little bit of a challenge for you. But we're going to try number 42. And so we do the same step. So there's a 1 in front of this x, always an invisible 1. We have to subtract this 1x. We get 0. Subtract 1x. So we have negative y. Again, these are not like terms. Negative 1x, or just negative x minus 8. And last step you need to do, this y cannot be negative. So what you can do, there's an invisible 1 next to the y. Let's divide out the negative 1. But then you got to divide out negative 1 into each of these terms. So negative divided by negative is a positive. So we have x plus 8. So our answer would be J right here. And boom, that is our answer. So the rest of this page is kind of a challenge page a little bit, but all you have to do is follow the same steps we just did, and you should be able to solve them all perfectly fine. All right, 8th grade, have a great rest of your day, and enjoy solving these problems.